Ke, ke, a, re, a, mi, a. Ki, a, re, a, mi, a. Ki, a, re, a, mi, a. Ki, a, re, a, mi, a. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. And we have karama, karama. Ki, a, re, a, mi, a. Karama. Ki, a, re, a, mi, a. Karama. That is what? Bottle. Karama is bottle in English. Karama. Karama. On to the next one. B, A, B, A, N, D, O. B, A, B, A, N, D, O. B, A, B, A, N, D, O. Let's see. We have kpakpando, kpakpando. B, A, B, A, N, D, O. Kpakpando. That is what? Star. Star. Kpakpando. Star. Star. Kpakpando. The next one. A, B, A. A, B, A. A, B, A. A, B, A. Let's check. Akpa. Akpa. A, B, A. Akpa. That is what? Bag. Bag. Akpa. Bag. The next one. Kwe or. Kwe or. Remember, KW together means kwe. Kwe. KW. Kwe. Kwe or. Kwe or is what? Let's see. Kwọ aka. Wash your hand. Kwọ aka gị. Wash your hand. Kwọ. The next one. Ọ nwee a. Ọ nwee a. Ọ nwee a. Ọ nwee a. Okay, try it out before we see the answer. Ọ nwee a. Ọ nwee a. Just pronounce it yourself before we see the answer. Ọ nwee a. Ọ nwee a. Let's see. Ọnwa. Ọnwa. You did it. We did it. Ọnwa. Ọ nwee a. Ọnwa. That is what? Moon. Moon. Ọnwa. So see what we have so far. We have karama, kpakpando, akpa, kwọ, ọnwa. Karama, kpakpando, akpa, kwọ, ọnwa. Bottle, star, bag, wash, moon. Karama, kpakpando, akpa, kwọ, ọnwa. Let's see the last one. A, gbee a ịgbị a ịgbị a ịgbị a. Let's see. Ịgba ịgbị a ịgba. Ịgba is what in English? Drum. Drum. Ịgba ịgbị a. Now let's see what we have so far. K, we have karama, we have kpakpando, we have akpa, we have kwọ, we have ọnwa, we have ịgba. K, a, re, a, me, a. Karama. K, a, re, a, me, a. Karama. P, a, ne, di, o. P, a, ne, di, o. Kpakpando. Kpakpando. Akpị a. Akpị a. Akpa. Akpa. Kwe ọ ọ. Kwe ọ ọ. Kwe ọ ọ. Kwọọ. Ọnwị a. Ọnwị a. Ọnwa. That is what? Moon. Ịgbị a. Ịgbị a. Ịgba. Drum. Bottle. Star. Bag. Wash. Moon. Drum. See you next time.